What's up, you guys? So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a double tap W to run. Okay. You're gonna need three things. So first, you want to add in the local script inside of starter pack. I'm naming this run script. You want to add a server script inside of server script service. You want to name it run handler. You can name it whatever, but this is what I choose to name. You want to add a remote event. You should probably, if you're making like a game, you want to name it to whatever, that's whatever name is unique. But for this one, I'm going to leave it as remote event. Okay. All right. So we're going to hop inside of the client script, and you actually want to also add an animation thing right here. Okay. I already have my animation ID that I'm going to use for the run. So if you already have a run animation made, make that. If you want a tutorial on how to make a run animation, let me know. I'll show you how to use the animation editor and stuff. Okay. So this is going to be my animation ID. All right. So inside of the local script, you want to start by name some variables. So I'm going to do user input service. This is going to be for the service that we're going to use to detect when a player hits a key. Okay. All right. Input service. Okay. Then you want to get replicated storage. This is going to be how we're going to reference the actual remote event. Okay. And then I like to indent before I start referencing the player stuff. So we're gonna do local player equals game dot players dot local player, local character equals player dot character, or player dot player added player dot player, oh no, sorry, character added. Wait. Okay. Now we're gonna do local humanoid equals character weight for child humanoid. Okay. So now these are gonna be the three important things that we need for the actual running script. We're gonna do local run mode equals 0. Local is running equals false, and local last tapped equals tick. This is gonna be for the animation. Local animation track equals nil. Okay. So, we also have to reference the remote event. I'm just RE equals replicated storage dot remote event. Okay, or whatever you named your remote event, you want to put that here. But since mine is named remote event, I'm just gonna leave it as remote event. Okay. So we're gonna do the function for the animation. Local function animation. Local A track. This is gonna be let me add a little comma here. This function creates and returns the animation track. Okay. All right. Local A track is going to be humanoid load animation script dot run. What do we name it? Is it just animation? Let's name this to run animation. Script dot run animation. Okay. A track, just in case you guys don't have yours as your animation set to your animation priority set to action, you want to do that. We can do that manually by doing A track dot priority equals, I think that's it, enum dot animation priority dot action, right? Then we're gonna do return A track. All right. We can close that for, actually, I'm gonna leave it open just in case you guys need it. All right. So now we're gonna do user input service dot input began connect function. We're gonna do input and then GPE. If not GPE, then nice. So now we're gonna do let's put a comment here for when the key is held, or a key is held, or not. No, a key is pressed. Actually, that's how it works. All right, and then we're gonna copy and paste this one for the when the key is let go. Okay, when the key is let go, then we're gonna change input began to input ended. Okay, nice. So let's start working on the input began first. Okay, we're gonna do if input dot key code equals enum dot key code dot w then if run mode up. Oh, is that what we named it? Oh no, we gotta fix that. Oops. If run mode equals 0, then what you want to do is we want to add 1. So run mode plus equals 1. Okay. Else, we're gonna do if tick minus last tapped is less than 0.7. This is gonna be the time between when they press it for the first time and they press it again. Okay, so if you want it to be shorter, like if you want to be like if you want them to press it quicker, then you can just change that to a shorter time, like 0.5 or like 0.4, but nothing below 0.4, because that's like kind of like then they'll be breaking their keyboards. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that. But I'm gonna put 0.7 just for the tutorial. Okay, and then we're gonna do run mode plus equals 1. If run mode is greater than 2, then run mode equals 2, right? And we're gonna indent after 3 ends, so 1, 2, 3. Indent right here. We're gonna do if run mode equals 2, then animation track. Animation track should equal animate this whatever this function returns, and we know that this function is going to return an animation track of our little run animation. Okay, and once we have that, we want to do animation track play, right? What we're going to do is running equals true, and then after this end right here, we're going to indent, and we're going to do last tapped equals tick. We need this to reset the like the timer for when they tap W. What tick is that tick returns like the time between now and like I think is it 1912 or something like that, but it returns sometime like that. I'll probably make a video explaining tick if you guys need it, but this is how we're going to be using to keep track of like how fast they press the key, W key. Okay. You can also change this to any other key, but like this is a double tap W for run tutorial, so I don't think you do that. But anyway, so yeah. So now we're gonna have remote event. RE fire server is running, comma run mode. Okay. So now in the other events, we're going to do if run if is running, then run mode equals 0, is running equals false. We're gonna do if animation track, right? This is if the animation track exists. So if animation track, then animation track stop. This is gonna stop it when they release W key. Animation track, animation track equals nil. Okay, we're gonna indent after this end right here. No, after these two ends, sorry. And then we're gonna do if tick minus last tap is greater than 0.7, then 0.7, not comma 7, then run mode equals 0, right? Is running equals false. If animation track, then we're gonna stop the animation track. You can literally just copy and paste this code right here. Okay? Boom. Right there. Nice. And yeah. And after this end, I think, these two ends right here, you want to do remote event, RE fire server, and we're going to do is running run mode. Okay? Let me just double check, see if everything is right. This is right here. Okay, so we actually forgot to do one thing. So right here we're gonna do if the same thing that we did right here. So we're gonna do if input dot key code equals enum dot key code dot w. Then right, we can indent it. We can just copy this entire. See this right here? We're gonna copy this entire thing and then paste it right here. Alright, now we should have the right thing. So now we're gonna go hop into the server script, and in the server script I'm gonna copy some of the these services. So we're gonna copy this service only though, and we can also copy the remote thing. So right here, copy that, paste that here. We're gonna do remote. We're gonna do dot on server event connect function. We're gonna do player. We're gonna do is running. And we're gonna do run mode. Okay, run mode. Let me check if we fired. Yes, we did. Okay, so yeah, run mode. Right. We're gonna do local character equals player dot character. Local humanoid equals nil. And then we're gonna do if character, then humanoid equals character. Find first child. Humanoid. Okay. Just in case, like for some reason they try to pass W before the character loads, it doesn't glitch the script. Okay. So now here we're gonna do if humanoid, then so if the humanoid exists to prevent errors. If run mode equals 2, then humanoid dot walk speed equals. So what we can do is just so you guys can set whatever walk speed you want, like whatever the run speed you want. I'm gonna make a global variable called run speed. Okay, and then for me, I want my run speed to be like 30. So we're gonna copy that, and we're gonna do humanoid dot walk speed equals run speed. Okay, nice. So nice. So we're gonna indent right here, and then do else if run mode equals 0, then humanoid dot walk speed equals the default walk speed, which is 16. Okay, but just in case you guys have a different walk speed for your game, you can just make another variable called walk speed. And I'm gonna make mine 16. So just copy and paste that, and then paste that as the walk speed. All right, and yeah, we should be done. Let's hop in and see if it works. Okay, so if I press W once, nothing happens. If I let go, nothing will still happen because I held it for too long. But if I double tap W twice, as you can see, I am running. My running animation is kind of funky, but yeah, I'm running. So if I let go, I stop running. If I double tap again, I'm running. Nice. You can go crazy and make this like make the speed as fast as you want, but you got to make sure that like you got to keep in mind that when they let go of the run, that's when like they stop running. But if they want to keep running, they have to hold the W. See? But yeah. So if I were to increase my run speed to like, let's say 150, I would go like super fast. See, now I'm insanely fast. But yeah, you guys get the gist. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys helped. This helped you guys. I'll leave the model down below in the description for you guys to go look at. If you want to, I suggest you should try to code it yourself with me. But like, if you guys want to just take the model, it's gonna be down below in the description. Leave a like and subscribe if this helped you. Subscribe for more scripting tutorials, and yeah, take it easy, y'all.